So in this video, you'll learn how to fix your TV putting your Nintendo Switch 2 in sleep mode. So if you've noticed that whenever you turn off your TV, your Nintendo Switch automatically goes into sleep mode and you want to stop that, then all you need to do is just navigate to the settings menu. So go ahead and open settings, and then under settings, you want to scroll and select the option display. Under display, look for match TV power state. So this is the setting that whenever your switch is connected to your TV, allows your TV to put your switch 2 in sleep mode. So if you want to stop that, just tap on the toggle to disable it. And once it's been disabled, now your TV will no longer be able to put your switch 2 in sleep mode. So if you ever want to put your switch in sleep mode, you'll have to go ahead and do that manually. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions or comments about this video, then leave them down below and we'll get back to you.